unboxing tyminiboos Collectibles Series 3 hand painted. I got this from the store, and tap on my circle and subscribe. You'll see all the videos that will inspire you to be a creative kid. It is Series 3 again. Teeny ties from Teeny Ties. They're like them. And we better keep the box so that we know which one we would get. So let's open. But first I want you guys to like this video in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you did, comment #unicorn. Now let's open. It looks like there's tape on here. Let's try to open that. Maybe I could use some different scissors. Okay, we got a crack into it. And then now we could probably open it. And see who we got. It comes in this little blind bag. And it's so cute. I love these. I never got one before though. I've seen them all around YouTube. They keep on popping up. Guys, it looks like we got the monkey. That's so cool. And it's fuzzy. So fuzzy. I love it. You can take a closer look at it. Pink eyes, pink fur, and gray hand, feet, and face. They are so cute. And you can even see a little tag on its ear. That's so cool. I might even get another one of these. So it looks like we got Cherry. So cute. What I would like to have is one of the unicorns. Or Chaser, which is a mystery, so you can't see it yet. They are so cute. And Cherry is like sitting down. You can sit him down. And that's like so super cute. That is so cool how they can actually make it fuzzy and put a little tag on it. Wow. I really want you guys to see this video over here, right at the corner, which it will be how to draw a baby unicorn. This was a short video. We also have a card here. Which is from Series 1 all the way to, let's see, Series 3. Let's get a checklist. Let's get this. I don't really think it could work if I write on this thing, but we got Cherry from Series 3 right here. So let's cross that. Yeah, this is like a colored pencil, so I don't really think it would work. Let's try this pencil and cross it out. So we know that we have that one. And if we get a duplicate, they can be twins or triplets even. And what else I would like to get is I really want a unicorn. Ooh, it looks like there's like cherries and blueberry from Series 2. Ew, I would like that unicorn too. Let's see the other side. There's Cracker. Guys, look at this unicorn. I would love to have that one. That's a golden unicorn. I wish I had all the unicorns. Let's take a closer look at that unicorn called Glitz. There's also Duke and Precious, which I would also love to get because they're dogs. And Kiki, the kitten. You also have Coconut over here from Series 1. And I would also get the Mystery Chaser. I don't know what animal that could be. Let's take another look at the back side again. Ooh, glitter. I wish I could have all the unicorns. Now I can just see our little Cherry again. Comment down below if you got the same exact one. And it's the end now. It's kind of short, but you guys can see another video right at the corner here for unboxing Mode Surprises Part 1. And also check out Part 2, which will pop up there right now. These are so fuzzy. I did not know they could be fuzzy. That's so cool. Are they scented? No, but they're still cute. So, be sure to tap on my circle. And you can actually click over there to subscribe. Click over there on that YouTube logo. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. Like and comment down below. Bye-bye.